Good morning, boys and girls. Happy Friday. And I want to tell you that there are words we're going to talk about today that aren't going to be on your papers, but I think you're smart enough to know, so I think you should know these. And when you go on the reading page for our Google Classroom, I want you to make sure that before you do your paper, you review the word families from this week. A-R, A-R-K, O-R-E, okay? Because all of those are going to be on your papers today. I put some things at the bottom of the Google Classroom, and if you have you or your mom click on them, it will bring up words for you to practice so that when you do your papers, it will be a little bit more cemented in your brain. Okay? So, as you can see, there he is. Bossy R is still hanging around. And we have 3 new word families to talk about. Now, this very first word family, that is the only one that's going to be on your paper from today. That word family and that word family are not going to be on your papers. But I think you should know them. And if you watch any of the OR videos, you'll see a couple of those words in there. So I think you should know them. And it's going to be so easy for you because you already know that Bossy R changes the O sound. And when O and R together, it's, are you saying it? Or. Or. So if I put an N after or, what's it going to say? Think about it. Orn. Orn. Yeah. Orn. Orn. Are you ready for some words? How about we put an H in front of orn? What do we get? Horn. Did you honk the horn? Horn. Huh or n. See how Bossy R changed that O sound? When you see that R there, remember when it comes after a vowel, it is changing that vowel sound because he's a Bossy R. Orn. All right, so let's put another one up there. How about a B? Born. Born. Mrs. Tebbens is so thankful to God that you all were born. Born. Hear how the O changes? Because of Bossy R. Born. Ready for another one? What if I put a C there? K or n. K orn. Corn. Corn. Do you like corn? You know what my favorite kind of corn is? I bet you know, because I bet it's one of your favorites too. Corn on the cob. It's so great to eat that in the summer. Corn. Corn. Okay, I have another one. Ready? What if I put a W there? Orn. Worn. Oh, I need a new pair of sneakers. My other ones are worn out. Worn. Worn. Or n. Okay. What about a T? T or n. Did you say it? Torn. Torn. Uh-oh. My paper got torn. Torn. And I'm going to move this over. Anybody know what I'm going to put there? see if you can remember the TH sound. Do you remember? Th. Remember it says th. When T and H are together, th or n. Th, orn. Thorn. Right, thorn. Be careful for the rose bush. It has a thorn on it. Thorn. Actually, it has a lot of thorns on it. Thorns. Okay, so that is the ORN word family. And that is going to be on your paper. Now, these next two are not going to be on your paper, but I think you should know them. I mean, why not? You're smart. So, OR, we know, says or. I'm doing this middle one right here. Ork. 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 Yeah, that's right. Ork. Now, look at this. You're going to guess this right away. Yeah. Did you say it? Fork. Ork. Fork. Please put your fork in the dishwasher. Thank you. Fork. All right. Now, ork. Cork. Cork. Do you see that bottle over there? It has a cork in the top of it. Cork. All right, I have another one. Ork. Pork. Yes, pork is another kind of meat like chicken or beef. Pork. Mrs. Tebbens likes it when Mr. Tebbens grills pork. Pork. See how easy that was? Now you know that word family. As long as you remember this OR makes that OR sound. When you see letters on this side and you see letters on this side, you know all your letters. You can figure it out. All right, so now we're going to go. I'm going to take these out since I can move them now. Now we're going to go to, I'm going to move this up. O-R-T. Okay, so what does O-R say? Or, very good. Now, ort. Ort. Yes, ort. I'm going to put an F there. And what does that say? Ort. Fort. I bet all of you like to build a blanket and pillow fort. Fort. Lee used to like building them all the time. He didn't like cleaning them up, but he sure did like building them. Fort. Okay. What if I put an S there? Sort. Sort. Would you please sort those shapes by colors? Sort. 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 Okay, and I have another one, and it has a special sound. Shh. Remember what SH says? Shh. Ort. Short. Short. Oh, my plant isn't growing. It's still very short. Short. Good job. And I have one more. And I don't know. I don't even know if I know how to do this. Well, let's see. Put a P there. What is that? What do you think? Remember, O-R, or, P, ort. Port. The boat is docked at the port. Port. Very good, boys and girls. So, remember, This is the main thing right there. Or, bossy R takes over the O sound. And, sorry, I was stretching. And makes it into a new sound. Or. And I'm searching for, I wish I would have had it out, and I don't have it out, boys and girls, and I'm trying to look really fast because I'm taping this. Got it! Thank you, God, for letting me find it. And, remember that? Bossy R turns that into what? Good. Great remembering. R. R. Great job, boys and girls. All right, now I'm going to show you your paper very quickly, okay? Actually, you have 3 sides to do. Okay, so I'm going to set them down, and I'm going to show you this first side. Okay. So up at the top, I want you to read that. Remember, O-R-N, orn. Did you read it? Jesus is born. Now you see this line right here? I want you to write it on there. Not like those letters though. Write them the way we have learned how to write our letters in class. Then, you see there's a picture of thorn. Now you have to figure out which word says thorn and circle it. This is a picture of, actually you can do either far or star, but I really think it's for star. But the wise men did come far, didn't they? Then we'll go up here, and this is a picture of the shore. So you have to circle which word says shore. And then that right there is a jar. Which one says jar? And then you circle it. Okay, and then on this paper, okay, right here, after you write your name, do it neatly for a heart. You have 3 pictures, and they did that first one for you. Park. That is a picture of a park. So then this is a jar, but you have to find the right word. And that is a car, but you have to find the right word. And then down here, that's a thorn, a horn, and torn. You have to draw a line from the right word to the right picture. And you can see they did the first one for you. Thorn. And on the back, now, there's 1, 2, 3, 4 sentences. Now, you have to read the sentence, but there's a blank in the middle of every sentence. Actually, there's only 3 sentences to choose, but I still want you to read the bottom one. So here, so your brain has to really be working because you have to read the sentence and figure out which one of those words should you write there for that sentence to make sense. Now, look at the pictures too. They give it a little hint. Then in here, you have to read this sentence and figure out which one of those words makes sense. And then you have to look at the picture because that's going to help. Read the sentence and figure out which one of those words makes sense. And then read that last sentence all by yourself. You could do it. You could do all of this. It's going to take some time on here because there's a lot of words for you to read. But remember IGHT, ite. Remember when 2 vowels go walking. And remember about bossy R. All right, boys and girls. I love you, and I hope you have a great day. And I hope you have a beautiful weekend. If it's sunny outside, go out and run and jump and have a lot of fun. I love you, and I miss you so much. Bye for now.